Good morning, Oklahoma. Thank goodness we made it to Friday. What a week it's been. Remember on Sunday and Monday, we were dealing with an ice skating rink across the state? Well, that's long gone, and now we may be hearing rumbles of thunder and perhaps a few snowflakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the latest. So the rain moves into Oklahoma City around midday, and it's out early Saturday. Latest data showing maybe around 6 or 7 a.m. it moves out. We could see over an inch of rain, approaching daily rainfall record rain amounts. That's incredible, right? Especially for January. A few snowflakes could mix in. That's the other thing. There is a chance early tomorrow morning, a window of about 2 to 3 hours, that we could see some wet snowflakes. No accumulation expected, no road impacts, but if you're up early, you may see it. And send us a picture, by the way, if you do. Saturday wind chills will be in the 30s, so it is going to be quite brisk out. Visibility, dense fog across western and northern Oklahoma. Oklahoma City, we've been sitting at 6 miles of visibility for a while now, so it's a lot better than the past few stars, but watch out for pockets of fog. Dense fog over Ada. Within the fog, of course, some mist and drizzle as well. The western half of the state under fog advisory until noon. After today, I think we can say goodbye to the fog for a while. It lets up at around 11 or noon, and then some reduced visibility as the rain picks up. This system is stronger than the last one, so we will have pockets of heavy rain, even some rumbles of thunder. If we had the Arctic air we had a few weeks ago combined with this system, we would have a big snowstorm on our hands, but it's not the case. This is mainly staying as rain. We have rain pushing into southern Oklahoma. Take a look at the latest on the light side, but it is starting to pick up near Geronimo, Walters, near Granfield, Comanche, Duncan, and that's the general trend. More development over the next few hours and then spreading north and east. Showers developing near Thomas, near Camargo, Arnett, into the Panhandle. It's because of the main upper level storm that's still out to the west. Look at the counterclockwise spin. That's going to be tracking right overhead. And as that cold core moves overhead, that's when we could see a little bit of snow mixing in. Out to the west, the jet stream lifting north. That is our wonderful weather in the long range forecast that I know a lot of us have been eyeing for a while, myself included. A look at the latest. Dense fog now filling in. You can see the Paycom Center. I always feel like it gives us our own version of the Northern Lights. There you go, Allie. There's our Northern Lights. It's the Paycom Center. Right? Some dense fog. She went all the way to Iceland and couldn't see the Northern Lights. A little bitter about it. 43 degrees right now. Winds out of the east at 7 miles per hour. Temperatures now in the low to mid 40s for central Oklahoma. Upper 30s to the north, mid 40s to the south, and winds light out of the east. So let's take you hour by hour. The rain will continue to spread north and east, likely moving into Oklahoma City about midday. But what I want to point out is how much it picks up this afternoon and tonight. Have your umbrella handy. It will be a soggy evening commute or any of your activities tonight. Plan on it being wet. The exception may be far northwestern Oklahoma, where we really don't see much. Overnight tonight, switching over to a different model, I want to point out, you see that little blip there? That represents the model picking up on what could be some snowflakes mixing in. There's that narrow window from about 4 to 6 a.m. that we could see some snow for the metro. Places like Shawnee up through Stillwater, Tulsa, maybe even Ponca City could briefly see some snow. Exits, and this is the best news of all. Look at that. Before the sun sets, I think we will see some sun. Of course, western Oklahoma has the best chance. Gradual clearing from west to east. Future rainfall totals. This is impressive. Over an inch of rain for central Oklahoma, 3/4 of an inch for west central and southwestern Oklahoma. Future snowfall totals. I'm showing you this. See that tiny little blip? It's not much. 0.1 for OKC, 0.1 for Stillwater. Again, that's the data picking up on the potential of a brief period of snow. No accumulation, no road impacts, but just give me that heads up. If you're up early, you look out your window and you're like, what? Yep. Just a little bit of snow. It's all right. 45 degrees this afternoon. Rain likely, maybe some rumbles of thunder. Tonight, we'll have some winter mix possible across northern and central Oklahoma. Tomorrow, a lot colder. 40 degrees, wind chills in the 20s and 30s throughout the day. Winds will relax late in the day, and we will have some late day clearing. Sunshine, yay. Sunday looks amazing. 57, 62 for Monday. People are going to be in shorts and tank tops.
Right. Opening the pool.
That's right. And then next week, a brief cool down Wednesday. Our next system arrives around next weekend. But we're going to have a nice big break with lots of sunshine.
Nothing Arctic on there.
Yes, thank goodness.
Okay, good.
Yep.
That looks great. Emily, thank you.